Welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is playing a tape of a lady, and this lady is talking about Lorraine, and she's saying that she, Tina Chin, Maxine, Madonna, another, the same issue with Lorraine. So they're saying it cannot be a lie, what all these people are saying if they're having the same issue with her. So this lady is talking a whole lot of stuff about, the situation with Lorraine, and she's saying that Lorraine couldn't possibly bring Maxine to court. And she's, just speaking about all the events that happen, and different stuff that happened between all these people that are involved that Lorraine is up against. So, man, you would need to go and catch the video and watch for yourself or listen out for yourself to hear exactly what this person has to say. And just remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe as you do, and leave your comments, no? Because, we need to know what you have to say about this. Have a great day.
Why can't you bring Maxine to the station? So Lorraine, so you don't like me? You're most like me. Definitely gonna be able to see.
Wow.
Last night when time them talk about Mr. Handsome grandchild, you never see her face for the life. When the woman call in, you never see all under them places sinking and dead. After me them did sink it, after me them come up now, move the blood red. We see under them places when the woman talk to her about it, Mr. Man, your grandson. I remember put in for the two, so when you put in, because you can't talk, you have to take back your word and go sleep with that, because you remember saying no, but me can't carry Maxine to the court either. Me can't go show Maxine. But never watch back your life when the woman call in about Mr. Handsome. And she said, let me put in for me 2 cents. Did you get out any of that 2 cents all now? Because you will remember that I look fool that me can't carry Maxine to the court. No. Hey, that don't business with you, Maxine. Alright, look how she alright. The same lie where she tell for how she tell for Maxine. Courtesy. Ladana. What's her name? Tina. Festive. Sophia. Mib. They tell me something. You're not fool. Remember, all of we have the same problem with Lorraine, and the problem is no joke. No joke. That is no joke. Me not have to watch Tina live when she attack.
Wow, people. Listen to me now. Listen. First, let me apologize to my viewers them. Good morning everybody. Good morning, Barbisha. Good morning everyone. Happy Sabbath to you guys. You see how the devil's strong? The devil's strong, Because by rights, we should be really focused on what I'm doing. When all of nasty Gracie come out, Gracie will not have no shame, no ambition, no nothing at all about her. Come out at me. I should have just smile and not even answer her, but no, I really have to put her in her place. Because who did I trouble? She said me come out, they pick on people, and when me done me this and me that, she in one kind of dream. Like, me shouldn't even really look on her, because me say I really fancy she a look. So me shouldn't really come out and answer to Gracie. Because Gracie not in a no class or no free or nothing at all to even come out and talk to anybody. Anybody at all. You understand? And me like an idiot jump out and answer her. Me should answer her. Should have never answer that little chink. Should not answer her at all. Come here. Yeah, me should know answer her. Should me answer her at all. You know why me come out for answer, but that's okay. But sorry for no found who kind of really disappointed in like Maxine should not really come out for answer. I think totally garbage go on the spot she have to. You understand? So me realize that she come up back again, but me not look on her. Me not look on her. Cause me see say our numbers them really gone down. The girl who used to hold how much thousand, they all of them. Number gone down like a nothing. Cause there's not a day where she do one live and she not hit her how much thousand. All know the same thing can't reach thousand yet. But she do how much there now. So you know say everything flop for she. Really flop. And she dey really look like a comeback. Yeah man, she a look a comeback and she dey go try her very best to get the comeback there. Whether it have to do with me, have to do because the first thing she fly out, me and Tina Chin. As bad as things may be, did Tina Chin even trouble you either? Did Tina Chin trouble you? You just fly out with your big old sour self so? You know, you see nobody else at all on social media where you really want to get off of social media. And go me and Tina Chin, you want to get off of social media, so they send you out. They send you out for me and Tina, but it's cool, it's okay. Neither you nor them can really move me. So, I don't know. Guys, so, next one, move on. Me never really know say, Lorraine send cartoon to come look for me. But me not hide, you know. Why would Lorraine send cartoon to come look for me? Like really? Like really? Why you don't go send cartoon to come look for me, Lorraine? Me not hide no way, you know. What do them a people here? Why they can't sleep in them bed? Why they cannot sleep in them bed?
Miss Handsome say bring a pretty girl on and Dana. And she did panic bed and he say the woman I say a 15-year-old. A 15-year-old, so Dana she say something, say, see her head here when she sit there. When the woman attack, and then the woman almost don't talk the first time. Yeah, I remember putting my 2 cents and then the woman did continue talk. Instead I look at the woman and say, what having a 15-year-old in the car, that doesn't mean anything. Even maybe some people just love black people and some just love girl. That doesn't mean say you have to trouble it, you have to trouble the little boy. So then I don't have no right to go say that to him with that they call it a calling and say. So when you did it now, you could have put in Lorraine and even say that to the woman and say, boy, I would have said, then I have to say no. You could have put in and say, because we did it and say, let me give my 2 cents you know, miss. And you remember what me can't carry Maxine on my station. But don't help me laugh, you're not laughing face them there. but me can't carry Maxine on the station. Of course I tell, she have to cut the argument, just looking at the live. She have to cut the argument and switch her in fast. She couldn't stand up to that to come in. She just had the view man come off. And she said, I'm sorry, me show me face in her life. I'm sorry, me in the dark. But all the time she in the dark when she be at work and when she work for work. When you see camera, all thief. You have the message in my phone and say, I tell me to find Maxine. And you tell me you have man and this and that. I don't have that message. That was a call one. That you have man and what can do it and cause now wish this and can do it. Lorraine. Don't come back like innocent to think in germs. Don't do that. You're burying my teeth. With all of the objective with your science. With your science, Maxine.
Maxine.
All of the objective. You hear she talk about all of the cake. Lorraine, I blood you're picking and cake, you Papa and Steve and all them. You talk about blood in a tina cake, a cherry bus in a tina cake. You, when you mention mountain blood, you give Bob and your husband blood in your cake. Anything you mention about, and you do it, because I know you see like how you tell like on Lady B, see like how you tell like on Stop on Me, see like how you tell like you walk and tell a squeezy people in Chubo Festive, see like how you tell like on Sophia, see like how you do Tina Chin, and same thing you that you do. Yeah, that's you do. But me glad Lady B. The way you will want to come like you will want and not dead. You come like you say you wouldn't mind a woman dead. Remember me, your car, and my daughter, and my niece. I have proof to take down the woman page where you go hard. Mama, you're desperate. The last text you sent me on my phone about Maxine. You're hunting the people them. Sometimes I hear me downtown. Yes, we are looking for Maxine, I wouldn't mind see her. It's a text that she's sending me to try and find her. Not that I'll be the last one in my phone. I want to find her.
What?
She have what we find him and she have what we do. I swear. You say that, girl. So when Tina come out and talk, I come go like you know say that. Maybe I show you talk on the phone and now, but if it...
Where are you looking for Lorraine? Lorraine? Where you looking for me?
Like him, you mother country little bitch. You coming like a piece of trash. What's her name again? Michelle. Come here, Michelle. Where are you, Michelle? Where are you? You delete yourself? Damn. Michelle, plain little star. You little fucker. Oh, you're here back. Come here. Come here. You see when you tell her to go and report, when you go and tell her to take her husband, take Maxine to the station and to ask her why she can report Maxine that her husband molested her grandson, why she can take Maxine down there, okay? So go over there for your homework and go and do your homework on your life and your nasty life and your life that your worker life boss and your boss that love to set up people's life, your boss that love to take on people's platform, your boss that love to tell lies and add on stuff and people and mix them on social media. Have a nice night. You is a dog and the germs like them. You say get a bicycle, you little germs, you go away. Hold on. Jeez, I little black, you come here, you need a black.
Wow, wow, wow. Just in there, this cool back there. Hey people, why would Lorraine tell cartoon to hunt me down? Why? Can somebody please tell me why? So, laugh at me, call me, and he say, Maxine, stop telling people where you are, where you're going, and stuff like that. And I'm like, laugh at me, I'm not really scared. But it's not being about scared, It's being about very cautious. Very, very cautious. Being about very cautious. Because these lunatics, something is wrong with these damn lunatics. Like, literally wrong with them. I'm doing fine, sweetheart. I'm doing so great. You hear the good news? My sugar was 140 something this morning. I feel like celebrating. I really do feel like celebrating. I don't know. I really do feel like celebrating. I have a video that I have to post, but I'm gonna come back and post it because I'm like in a hurry. Merciful Father, when is this evening gonna be finished? When is it gonna be done? They come, people. They come. Give me a few minutes. Let me come.